Hey, John from Angle 3D here. Today I'll be showing you how to create a blank customization option in our configurator. The point of the blank customization options is to give your customers choices that don't require visual changes to your 3D model, such as clothing size, shoe size, additional notes, etc. Take these sneakers from our demo store, for example. To create the blank customization option, go to the Add New Customization option button. Scroll down and select Blank. This will bring you to this page where you can design your options for the customer. Set the title to size, then you can add 3 new blank choices: small, medium, and large. Once saved, you can head over to the storefront to see the new blank option. As you can see, when we select size, this change has no effect on the model whatsoever. But the selection information will still appear in your cart and checkout. To show you another example, let's head back to Angle 3D and add a new customization option. Go ahead and select the blank option again, and we're going to add additional notes to the title. Under the input type, select text area. This will allow your customer to add notes to the order, and it'll be reflected in the checkout as before. To find more videos like this, feel free to check out our tutorial gallery.